In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust spacing on Squarespace. Clean, comfortable spacing can make your site feel polished, professional, and easier to read. Today we'll walk through the exact controls that let you fine-tune how wide your pages feel and how much breathing room they have around the edges, so your content looks great on every screen. Start in your Squarespace dashboard and look to the left side of the screen. Click Website in the left pane. This takes you into the area where you manage your site's content and design, and it's the quickest way to reach the tools we need for spacing. Next, head to Pages and open the page you want to use while you make adjustments. Picking a page with a mix of text and images is helpful because you'll immediately see how spacing impacts different types of content. Even though you're viewing a specific page, remember that the spacing settings we're about to change can influence the entire site's layout. So choose a page that represents your typical design. At the top left, click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode so you can see live changes as you work, which is especially helpful when you're evaluating spacing and layout. Now, move to the top right and click the paintbrush icon. That opens the style settings for your site, which is where Squarespace keeps all the visual controls for things like fonts, colors, and importantly for this video, spacing. In the Style panel, go to Miscellaneous, then select Spacing. Here you'll find the two key controls we'll use, Page Width and Site Margins. Page Width adjusts how wide the main content area can be. Increasing it lets text and images stretch farther across the screen. Decreasing it creates a narrower, more focused reading column. For long-form text, a slightly narrower width often improves readability, while wider widths can be great for visual, image-forward pages. Site margins control the space around the edges of your site outside the main content area. Larger margins create more white space and a calmer, more minimal look. Smaller margins bring content closer to the edges for a bolder, full-bleed feel. Make changes gradually and watch the page update in real time. Aim for text lines that feel comfortable, typically not too long, and make sure your images have enough room to breathe. Check how headings wrap, how columns behave, and whether buttons still feel balanced. When your page width and margins look right for your brand and content, you're all set. That's all it takes to adjust spacing on Squarespace and elevate your site's look with just a few thoughtful tweaks.